with Roofers Coffee Shop. We are here at day 2 of IRE 2026 in Las Vegas. I am standing in the GAF booth. We've been getting quite the tour, but now we are over here on the commercial side of things. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about you.
So my name is Chris McGroarty. I'm the Director of TPO Systems and Adhesives here with GAF, so I work on the product management side of things.
Amazing. Well, thanks so much for being here. You guys have quite the setup going on, but it looks like we are going to focus on some maintenance and repair products.
Yep.
Some of your favorites that you're highlighting. Tell me what we're looking at and, benefits for contractors.
So maintenance and repair, making sure that you maintain your roof is key to the overall performance.
Absolutely.
For it to last as long as you want it to.
Yeah.
And in order for contractors to perform all the proper maintenance, what we want to do is make sure that we have a solution for everyone. And
Yeah.
a lot of that comes down to making sure that we have solutions for all the different technologies in the right size packaging to help contractors life out getting on and off the roof as fast as they can.
Absolutely, because you can't always be carrying 4 different buckets of material up a ladder or trying to take it all the way across a job site to get to where you need to be.
Exactly. When we can, you don't want 5-gallon buckets. Those are really heavy.
Yep.
You could do little 1-gallon buckets.
Yeah.
You have tubes, 2-gallon buckets. We really try to have them all purposeful built.
Absolutely. Well, and you talk about, shelf life and being able to waste less material
Yes.
if you have the right size container for the job that you're doing.
100%. Maximizing the yield is great out of all these different things. It's the convenience. Get on and off the roof. Don't waste that, and you are able to improve your margins and also service your customer at a better cost as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so tell me a little bit about some of the products that you're showcasing.
So we have anywhere from your Ultra Clear, which is a great overall sealant for pretty much any type of technology.
Yeah.
We have your Repair Pro, which is great for when you're going up on a roof doing core cuts.
Yeah.
You need to replace that. Great little convenient size. Also good for general repairs on a lot of modified and coatings roofs as well.
Yeah, which, we should talk about core cuts because that's one of the most important steps in repairing a roof. You have to be taking care of your customer, doing that extra step, making sure you know exactly what the roof system is, what repair needs to be done, and how to best help your customer.
100%. And as soon as you put that hole in that roof to get that core cut, you want to make sure that you're going to put it back in a good waterproof situation.
Yeah, you can't be responsible for penetration and leak later.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Amazing. Okay, so then we'll just walk down the line.
So then, for more of our technologies, there's obviously a lot of silicone roofs out there.
Yeah.
So we have your silicone fiber sealant, good for all for vertical and penetration, so that way it's supportive.
Yeah.
We have your silicone mastic, and we also even have your nice little silicone sausages as well.
Amazing. Again, just making it easier for the contractor to use, to know exactly what they need.
Exactly. Being able to repair all the different types of technologies. That's really key to being able to support all of our contractors on the repair and maintenance side of things.
Absolutely. And also, we're talking about it, they have it in their service truck. They don't necessarily have a lot of space for it.
Yep. Makes things a lot easier if you have things purpose built in the right size.
Absolutely. Okay, so now it looks like we have moved on to all of our single ply silicone over here. We got TPO and PVC. Tell me about these sprays.
Yeah, so great thing. We talked about purpose built packaging, right? This is ideal. So we have for single ply repair maintenance, we have our TPO quick spray, we have TPO seam cleaner, TPO primer, TPO red primer, and also your PVC cleaner, all in these nice little convenient aerosol cans.
Yeah.
So again, you don't have to bring a 5-gallon bucket or a big canister up.
Sure.
You have a purpose-built little aerosol can.
Right.
So that way you can fit a couple of these in your backpack. You can leave them in the truck, and you get up there on the roof, and instead of carrying a 5-gallon bucket, a 1-gallon bucket, a 1-gallon bucket, and everything that goes along with it, all you have to do is grab a couple of these cans, put them in your bag.
Right.
Up the roof you go. You're not carrying a lot of different gear up onto the roof, which just brings in safety in the gear.
Yeah.
So you're on and off, high yield, really super convenient. We've got great feedback from contractors on these.
Absolutely. And you're able to get everything in one place. You, as a contractor, come to GAF, you say, hey, I have this project, this is the material I need. and then you're able to maintain that relationship with that customer whenever they need those maintenance and repairs.
Yep.
GAF covers you in order to use the same products with the same systems.
Yep. And these are the same exact formulas that we have in the big containers, just consolidated in a nice little small packaging.
Amazing. Okay, we got one more thing to look at over here. The backpack welder.
Oh. So we love this. This is a
Yeah.
battery operated welder.
Okay.
And that BAK had made.
Yeah.
And what's awesome is it comes in with the lithium battery, gets about a 45-minute run time on a full charge.
Okay.
Has about a 12-foot cord, comes with all the different tips. Now what GAF did is we worked with some of our customers and contractors to develop the right size backpack for repair and maintenance.
Amazing.
So what we did is we actually designed specific pockets in there, so you could fit 2 batteries in there, and you could fit all of your other gear you need: scissors, rollers, little straps to put on all of the extra TPO. So that way you just throw everything in that kit on your back, easily get up the ladder safely, come back down. Really super easy for repair and maintenance.
I love that. It's efficiency. It's just everything that you need in one place, and you're off to the races.
Exactly. Customers have really been eating that up.
That's amazing. Well, it seems like the show is going so well. There's been lots of traffic. You guys are so busy in this booth. So thank you for hanging out with me. Check out GAF on rooferscoffeeshop.com. They have a directory. You can go straight to their site and learn even more about all these amazing products.
Awesome. Thank you.